Is it time to buy or sell Mullen Automotive stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Mullen Automotive. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of December 3rd, 2024, our system has ranked Mullen Automotive as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -6.5. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a total loss of 100%. This equates to an average daily loss of approximately 0.79% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock has broken the very wide and falling short-term trend upward. Firstly, a slower falling rate is indicated, but this may very well be an early signal of a trend shift. On the reaction, there will be support at the roof of the current trend, which is $228.28, a level that may present a second chance to capitalize on a rally. According to fan theory, $3,632.56 will be the next possible trend top level, and could serve as a resistance level that may not be breached on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of 99.78% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 100% to 107.68%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 100% decline. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 100% to 129.22% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and -$1.87. Our latest daily update from Mullen Automotive includes the headline, "Volatile Ride for Mullen Automotive Stock Price on Friday, moving between $6.18 and $9.30. The Mullen Automotive stock price fell by 20.96% on the last day, which was Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, from $8.11 to $6.41. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 50.45% with a day low at $6.18 and a day high of $9.30. The price has fallen in 9 of the last 10 days and is down by 61.39% for this period. Volume also fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 3 million shares, with a total of 4 million shares bought and sold for approximately $23,970,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $184,805,700, and the lowest price was $4.80. Currently, the price is 100%, or $184,805,693.59. below the 52-week high, and 100%, or $27,108,505,399,993.59, below the all-time high on the 5th of August, 2020, when the price reached $27,108,505,400,000. Mullen Automotive, trading under the symbol MULN, is making significant strides in the electric vehicle market. Recently, Bollinger Motors has emerged from receivership, completing a crucial settlement that enhances Mullen's stake in the company to 95%. This consolidation not only eliminates substantial debt, but also strengthens Mullen's operational control and financial backing for Bollinger Motors, allowing for accelerated sales activity. In another exciting development, Mullen has announced the launch of the high-performance 5RS model, slated for vehicle sales in Germany by December 2025. With a top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour and rapid acceleration capabilities, this model is poised to attract attention in the ultra-competitive electric vehicle segment. This momentum comes on the heels of Mullen's stock experiencing a dramatic surge, more than doubling in value recently. Such bullish price action could signal growing investor confidence as the company continues to stabilize and expand its market presence. While short-term projections may see volatility as the market digests these developments, the long-term outlook is considerably brighter. Mullen's increased ownership of Mullen Motors and the introduction of a new high-performance vehicle strengthen its market positioning, likely leading to sustained interest from both retail and institutional investors. This strategic alignment and product innovation could positively influence MULN's stock prices in the coming months and years. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 1st of November 2022, it was reported that Citigroup assigned MULN a reduced grade, accompanied by a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned Mullen Automotive stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. When it comes to return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified from Mullen Automotive. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The Mullen Automotive stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $8.64 and $32.04. A breakout above any of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, June 4, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 60% and 0.19. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots noted a sell signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average signaled a buy 4 days ago. When we examine the chart for the past 12 months, we observe short moving average signaled a sell 128 days ago. For more signals, don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Mullen Automotive. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level, from accumulated volume at $5.58 and $5.39. Without sufficient support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is heightened. A drop below the support at $5.39 could lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may exhibit considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. And with an extensive prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.12 between its high and low, equating to 50.45%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 133.60%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Mullen Automotive, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is experiencing losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 11th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Mullen Automotive. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine your exit strategy. On the downside, Mullen Automotive encounters its first support level at $5.58. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating from Mullen Automotive from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 4th of April, 2025, HRT Financial LP conducted an insider sale of 2,012,436 shares of Class A shares. On the 3rd of April, 2025, HRT Financial LP conducted an insider purchase of 546,706 shares of Class A shares. On the 3rd of April, 2025, HRT Financial LP also conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of Class A shares. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Mary Winter conducted an insider purchase of 62,000 shares of common stock. On the 5th of March, 2025, Mary Winter conducted an insider sale of 62,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 41.350. Overall, insiders have purchased 199,918,796 shares and sold 67,050,264 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Mullen Automotive stock a good buy? Mullen Automotive exhibits several negative signals and is currently within a very wide and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 9th of June, we expect Mullen Automotive to open higher by 89 cents and begin trading at $7.30. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. We advise consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Do not base your investment choices solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.